Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Laura Mercier gifted me some products. So we're going to apply it together, okay? There's a couple of new things in here. Excited to try. I think there's some things in here too that I already have. So I don't know that I'm going to use them, but we're going to test swatch them and all that, okay? This was so nice. I have to show you this PR, okay? This was one of the things that was in my PR. I love that. I should put that back here. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, I love it. I love that. So first off, we have a couple of Caviar Sticks. This one is in Rose Thorn, which I have worn before. I feel like I've done a look with this. I may have to do another one. This is so pretty. So the packaging, let me just show you the packaging. I love the gold packaging, kind of the rose gold. Now look at this. There we go. Look at how pretty that is. I love that. Wild Rose is another really pretty color. Oh my god, maybe I should do a look with you guys with this. I think I need to do a look with this. Let me do a look with this, okay? But let's finish looking at the rest of the box, okay? So then we have all that sparkles. This is a buildable blush. Are these all? I thought one of them was a highlighter. Let me see. Buildable blush. I love the blushes. And this one is a highlighter. I'm telling you, Laura Mercier knows how to do her blushes and her highlighters. So pretty. This is the packaging on it. Look at how pretty that is. And this is in the color All That Sparkles. Ooh, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let me show you. It's very, very light. This one is called... This one's Peach Shimmer. All I have, by the way, is just a bronzer on. Oh, that's really pretty too. So I'm going to show you both of them together. Oh, that's really pretty. So these are very subtle. So we're going to see what these... Oh, those are so pretty. I think I want to do this one today. This could be really pretty maybe on a no makeup kind of a look, you know, like really subtle. I like to wear blushes that pop, but sometimes I just want to do like something really subtle, you know? And then we have this. This is in Rose Glow. So this is the highlighter. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. Wow. Okay, so let's do this. I'm so excited. These are the two together. So this is the blush and this is the highlighter. Look at how beautiful. Woo. Wow. Okay, that was a lot. I had nothing on this brush. I'm surprised at how much. Oh my god, is that pretty? That's really pretty. Okay, so this, it's like you almost don't even need to have a highlighter with this, because it's a shimmer blush. So, let me look at it close up. It's very subtle though. I'm going to put on more. And what I mean by that is, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's very subtle shimmer. So if you're somebody that is afraid of using a shimmer blush because you're like, I have a lot of texture or anything, I think you're going to like this. Because it's very subtle. I'm going to zoom you guys in. Like, it's very subtle. It's not... It's really pretty. There are some blushes that have shimmer in it, and it's like, whoa. You know, look at the color path. I'm surprised. That's really pretty. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. See, you don't see like, and I'm under lights, you don't see like a bunch of, it's really pretty, you guys. It's really, really pretty. Wow. I just bought a really high-end blush and I really like it, but this is really, I'm going to tell you, this is really close to that. It's really close to that. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. We're going to go in here. Okay. That's very subtle. It's very, very subtle. Let me add more. Maybe I Yeah, so don't be afraid of that either. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. So at first I was like, oh, kind of underwhelmed, but that is wow. It's very pretty and it just makes my skin look glowy, right? Oh my God, that's really pretty. Look at both sides so you can see. Definitely a difference, right? Wow, that's really pretty. I'm blown away, but I'm telling you, I really do like her highlighters. I'm just going like this, okay? And I'm just going to take, oh my God, that is so pretty. And you guys know I don't like, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's all I'm going to say. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. With the magic, I didn't do my mascara on the side yet, okay? Didn't do my mascara on that side, but let's do this look. I'm going to go in with Rose Thorn. It's been a day. It's been very noisy here today around my house. It's like every freaking time I've tried to film, it's just been one thing after another. And then we have roofers down the road. So if you're listening with headphones and you're hearing pound, 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 that's what that is. And it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my number 27, rougher brush, and I'm going to blend this out. So you saw how I applied it. I just applied it all over my lid, and now I'm just really lightly blending this. Still going to do that lighter color on top, but the thing with these is they're really easy to use. Honestly, they just are. And you don't have to do a lot of effort. You really don't. So I'm going to go in, and this one I believe is this one Rose Thorn? This is, no, this is Wild Rose. I can't get either one of them straight today. So I'm just going to put this right on top of this. I'm not going to go all the way to the end. Okay, I'm going to leave that. And then just tap my finger. I mean, honestly, these are not... These are really, really easy to use, you guys. I mean, I can't stress that enough. I can't. And you can use these with powders too. You can do a look using these with a powder eyeshadow as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that same first color and we're going to put that on my lower lash line. And I got a little sloppy, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going to leave it for a second. Now I'm going to go in, before I blend it, I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this. This is from Chanel, and this is in the color Chassis? I don't know. I don't know how to say it. How do you say that? Cassis? It's kind of like a plummy color, so it goes really well with this. And I'm going to go ahead and do my upper tight line. And then I'm going to get it on here too. And the reason, now you're going to see why I didn't blend that. Our first color, because once I blend, I'm going to blend it all together. You'll see. Like I said, trust the process. Trust the process. So now I'm going to take my BK Beauty smudger brush. I'm going to take this and I am going to start blending that out, wipe it off. I'm going to clean up that little corner there. Don't worry about that. But when I'm doing this, I'm kind of getting that, the color that I use in my, but I can't speak. By doing this, I'm getting the color that I used in my lower lash line, waterline. Oh, Annie. I'm just going to blend this a little bit more. And when I blend it, I don't know how it looks like on camera, but I swear I'm barely touching. If you ever get a little bit sloppy with the outside, you can take something like this. You can take concealer. This is from YSL. This is a Touche Eclat. Where are you at? YSL. It's not picking it up, but that's what it is. Okay, so I'm just going to do this and this like that. Then I am going to take my Fitcla Beauty brush and I'm just going to go like this. And it just kind of cleans that up. And if you still feel like you have a little bit, like I feel like that's kind of dark on the outside, no worries. We're just going to blend that again. All right, I just have to get some mascara on and do my hair. I'll be right back. This is my final eye look. You guys know I love Caviar Sticks. Love these blushes. I will update you guys on this other blush that I did not try, but I'm going to tell you right now. My makeup looks amazing. Look at how beautiful. So nice and glowy that is. And it is, I did use that glowy bronzer. Did you guys see me do that? Yeah, I am wearing a glowy bronzer. I'm wearing, this is the bronzer that I'm wearing from Sicily. It's really, really expensive. Okay, but I do really like it, but it's, okay. Okay. That is what I'm wearing. It's really, really pretty. So, anyways, you guys know I love these. Thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for gifting these to me. Again, I really, really, really appreciate you supporting mature women. I wish more companies would do that. I don't know how it is for some of the other women on this platform. My hair scrunchy thing. But I just know for me, I'm just really, really thankful. But even though, I always tell you guys, even though company sends it to me, I'm always going to be truthful with you. I have to be. Okay, so if I recommend something, then I have to feel comfortable knowing that you're going to love it too. Now, I always say, just because I love something doesn't mean you're going to love it. But I don't overhype stuff here on my channel. I'm not like that. I'm not like everything's like, oh my God, it's amazing. I see so much of that on TikTok, and I've been suckered into a lot of stuff too, and it's like, I get it, and I'm like, really? What was so amazing about it? Like, don't overhype something that doesn't deserve to be overhyped. I'm telling you right now, these are freaking gorgeous. I mean, look at. You saw me put it on. Are they really bold blushes? No, they're not. But I think I got pretty good payoff. But look at how gorgeous, and it's just so yummy. They're gorgeous. Okay, and the lipstick, by the way, I am wearing is a I thought I had it right in front of me. It is from Laura Mercier. I actually purchased it myself because I do purchase some Laura Mercier myself, okay? Let me get it. I don't know if it goes, does it go okay with my look? I hope so. That's called A La Rose. That's the name, but this is the lipstick that I'm wearing. And I bought this one myself. I believe I did. Pretty sure I did. I bought this one, and there's another one that I bought from them. I think they gifted me one that's more like a red color, but I really like this. I like their lipsticks. I really, really do. Lip liners, love too. I mean, there's stuff of hers that I really, really like. And there's some things that I've tested. I'm like, you know, and I've told you guys. But I am a huge Caviar Stick. I think they're really, really pretty. I guess that's all I have to say. So. And thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you've tried any of these, let me know. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.